YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is men's by fold Gucci's wallet. So let's go ahead and get it started. As you can see, the top is tied in a ribbon, and this is the original authentic. Come with this pretty nice shopping bag or gift bag. Some of this paperwork is like a warranty or something. Authenticity certificate card, but it didn't say anything on there. Oh, here's a receipt. Let me check. So actually, this is just a gift receipt, but I checked this on the online. This one is about $340 retail price. They have another one which is a bigger one. It's about $380. So it's come with two of this pamphlet. Is it, let me check if they are the same. It's a different number. Maybe they have it like in multiple. Oh, yeah, I think in multiple language. Yeah, it's kind of different, so. I come with this nice Gucci dust bag. This one is with the tiger picture on there. So right here it says Gucci and then made in Italy, and then there are like 4 slots for your credit cards. And then there's an inner slot right here on both sides. Alright guys, so this is my unboxing for this Gucci Tiger by fold wallet. Hopefully you guys like the video, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell for notification. Alright, thank you for watching, and drop any comments on below. Peace out guys.